How important are these resources in our daily lives? At the end of this lesson, you should be able to differentiate conventional and non-conventional energy resources, describe the distribution of coal in India, locate the petroleum and natural gas reserves in our country, distinguish the sources of electricity. What do we need to ignite a vehicle or cook our food? Energy is required for all these activities. It is used to cook, to provide delight and to generate heat, to ignite a car, propel a train, or to drive machinery in industries. How do we get energy? Energy can be generated from fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium, and from electricity. Other than the commonly used energy resources, we have some other resources such as solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biogas, and atomic energy. Energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional sources. Firewood, cattle dung cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity are some of the conventional sources of energy. Solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biogas, and atomic energy are some examples of non-conventional sources of energy. Do you find any difference between both these sources of energy? Conventional sources of energy are most commonly used sources of energy in our country, but the non-conventional sources are still in the process of development. Most of the conventional sources are exhaustible sources and all non-conventional sources are inexhaustible. Can you identify the material used in the stove and power plant? One of the most abundantly available fossil fuel, coal, is used in power generation to supply energy to industries as well as for domestic needs. Can you recall how coal is formed? Coal is formed due to the compression of plant material over millions of years. Depending on the degrees of compression, depth, and the time of burial, coal is found in varieties of forms such as lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. In India, coal occurs in rock series of two main geological ages, Gondwana, a little over 200 million years in age, and Tertiary, about 55 million years old. Have a look at the map provided to know the places. What are the other uses of petroleum other than its use as a fuel for vehicle? Petroleum provides fuel for heat and lighting, lubricants for machinery, and raw materials for a number of manufacturing industries. Most of the petroleum occurrences in India are associated with anticlines and fault traps in the rock formation of the Tertiary age. Have a look at the map to view the oil fields located at various parts of our country. How do we use natural gas? Liquid petroleum gas (LPG) is used for various activities such as cooking, heating, running vehicles, etc. Compressed natural gas (CNG) is used for vehicles to replace liquid. It is also used as an industrial raw material in the petrochemical industry. Some reserves of natural gas in our country are Krishna Godavari Basin, Mumbai High and Gulf of Cambay and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Can you locate the Hazaria Vijaypur Jagdishpur cross-country gas pipeline in the map? This links the Mumbai High and Basin with the fertilizer, power and industrial complexes in western and northern India. From where do we get electricity in our houses? Electricity is generated mainly in two ways. Running water drives hydro turbines to generate hydroelectricity, and thermal power is produced by burning other fuels such as coal, petroleum or natural gas. Can you differentiate both the sources of electricity? Hydroelectricity is generated by fast-flowing water, which is a renewable resource. But thermal energy is generated by using non-renewable fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas, etc. Electricity has such a wide range of applications in today's world that its per capita consumption is considered as an index of development.